Welcome to DA Garage. I'm David, and this is my 1985 Honda V65 Sabre.
How's it going? I'm Andy, and this is my 2003 ZX-6R. Enjoy the video.
The Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R is a 600 class sport bike. It was introduced in 1995 and is still being produced today.
So I understand that you've been doing some work on your bike.
Yeah, a little bit. Started a little bit before winter. Got the bike all tore down. Had a leaking valve cover gasket. That's where it started. Yeah, I got that replaced. Got everything cleaned up. Fairings were in pretty bad shape last year, so I got some new ones for Christmas from my amazing girlfriend, and I eventually like to get everything painted black. Right now they're still you know, ready to be painted, but yeah, just got to sand and get them done. But yeah, the wheels were completely black and the frame was just more, you know, satin color. And you know, my uncle, he's got amazing taste, and that's where I got this bike from. And he polished the subframe, the regular frame, and the wheels, and painted them a nice gold bronze color.
Yeah, this thing looks sweet.
Yeah, just recently did a clean air mod as well, and that's for, you know, when you're doing wheelies and the motor's not at its regular angles. So it pretty much, there's a breather tube that goes down and to the bottom end of the motor, so it breathes better when it's at a certain angle.
The Ninja's power plant is a 4-stroke inline-4 liquid-cooled 16-valve dual overhead cam engine. In 2003, the ZX-6R got fuel injection. While I was doing research on this 2003 Kawasaki Ninja, it was difficult to find matching performance numbers, so what I did was took an average of what I could find, and this is what they are. The 03 Ninja makes about 117 horsepower at 13,000 RPM and about 50 foot-pounds of torque at 11,000 RPM. It'll do the quarter mile in 11 seconds, and its top speed is around 165 miles per hour.
Now Andy's gonna give my Sabre a spin.
Yeah.
See how he likes that.
Yeah, first ride.
Yep, first ride. Dude, that was awesome.
Spectator, cool.
That was awesome. Now we got another adrenaline junkie here. Making our video a little bit better. Look at this thing. This thing is cool. Yeah, you did a good job with that. Sounds really good. Looks cool.
I painted it in my garage.
Oh, really? Yeah. Dude, this thing is awesome. Wow, look at that.
It's a fuel injected big block.
Oh, that looks good.
Yeah, it does. That thing is a beast. Look at the size of that. Wow.
That's awesome.
And so you've been doing this all yourself, huh?
Yeah.
Wow, that's impressive.